Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to hack Pokemon Unite and get unlimited currency. So let me just open it up and show you guys what's going on in my account, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So as you can see guys, we're broke, but if you press this button, you can actually add free gems and coins. So I'm going to turn this all the way up, and let's see if it increases at all. So no increase, but hopefully it goes up, and afterwards I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Unite free gems and coins. So let's see if it increases, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So it's super cool. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see guys, the resources are going up like crazy. So this is so wild. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get into the video. All right, so first thing is going to be go to tweakmod.com and type in Pokemon. Obviously, we're going to be looking for the Pokemon Unite, so go ahead and press install, and before it downloads it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so yeah, it's really cool guys, because Pokemon Unite's a very expensive game. So now I got unlimited currency and I can be a top dog on Pokemon Unite. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's see. All right. Okay. So it says missing files, additional files are required. So we need to download 2 of these apps from the list. So for instance, Travel Town says reach level 9. I actually did this one. It's a game, so it's pretty simple. So I could go ahead and do that. But basically, just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be good to go. So this one, you got to like play it to level 9 or whatever. But yeah, I don't make videos anymore. But I had to share this one with you guys because it is legit. Pokemon Unite modded version, guys. So try it out for yourself if you're broke. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. Also, you can get free anti-ban, of course, and all these other settings. So it's really cool. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. And you're gonna be all set. But yeah, it's awesome. So that's how to hack Pokemon Unite for free currency. So be sure to try it out. See you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. As long as you download 2 of these apps, you're gonna be good to go. So it doesn't matter which app it is, but make sure you download 2 of them, guys. So I'm gonna see you in another video. But yeah, I mean, this is so awesome. If you ever played Pokemon Unite, you know that it's not cheap to get the currency, and this is gonna really help you. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you go to settings and keep that low power mode turned off. You're gonna be good to go if you do that. But yeah, this is pretty crazy, so definitely try it out for yourself, guys. You can see my battery level's pretty low, but it's fine. But if I was doing this, I would just plug in my phone. You're allowed to plug in your phone for this method, but don't put on power saving mode. That will hurt you. But other than that, guys, you should be good to go. So just make sure you download 2 of these apps. Also, just remember, I live in the USA, so if you live somewhere else, the apps might be different, and that's fine, but just want to let you know. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. But yeah, it actually works. So that's how to hack Pokemon Unite for free currency, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you in another video. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. And peace out.